I'm gonna put everything is pulled out already, so I didn't have to do anything. There's a couple of screws right there you have to pull out right there. There's not pull but unscrew. This is a plug, and then this is antenna right here. The white is antenna, and then this is gonna be on the top right here. We're gonna put this on there because we're gonna put a 10-inch screen. We're not gonna put a 7, we'll put in a 10. And as you can see, I put screw right there. This right here, this is gonna be on the top. This holes right here is gonna be on the top, and the rectangular ones on the bottom. And then just close it back. Put it back, close it, put it back. So once you got it in, it's gonna look like that. The rest of them, the clip's gonna go right there. You do this later right here. This RCA jack. USB. And this is antenna for the cell phone. You can pull this down up right here. You can put any signal you want. Basically, you can put Android. You can put not Android. You can put any company you want, like AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon, such and such. So GPS is this piece right there. That's GPS. Just tighten it in. Make sure it's all the way in there. If you can't use your finger, just use the plier for that. And then this is the 4G, which is that phone I mentioned to you about. Just rotate it to the right. It's tidy. And as you can see right there, some of this, since it's been 2010, it might not CAN bus. Might not have a good CAN bus. So what you do, you want to plug this right here like that. And then you're gonna plug and even though you do the backup camera or not, you have to plug that in still. So we're gonna plug this right here. And then if you got an amplifier, you plug this to the amplifier right here. I got it to a non-amplifier. See, it's no amp. Both of them look the same, but one of them is for an amp, one of them is not for the amp. So we're gonna run this wire right here first before we plug it in. I ran the USB down to the top right there, and then this one I'm gonna run it down. I don't think she ever gonna use that, but I'm gonna still run it down here anyway, just for the cost. Now since you got all that done, you're gonna grab this plug, and I got this antennas in already. And I'm not gonna plug any real camera right there. I'm just basically gonna plug that in, and there's no steering wheel, so we're good. And then we're gonna plug all these in. Okay, make sure you're not plug it upside down. See, this is on the top right there. See, make sure it's on the top because it will go in. If you put it wrong, it will still go in, so be careful on that. So I plugged the antenna to that white plug. Everything else is correct. Just push it all in. You got Jeep Renegade, press OK, and then you want a Bluetooth auto connect, auto answer. You don't want that. Restart Bluetooth power. Yeah. So yep. So that's it right there. And then if you wanna go to Wi-Fi, to pick up a Wi-Fi, you pull it down like so. Right there, you can click on search right there again, and you see all this right there. You can do a bunch of other stuff if you need it, but I don't have to do anything because it's always everything's there already. And you got YouTube, AVN, Spotify, changing sound a little bit. I can't want. Wow, that's a lot of sound. I like the tweet to go high up a little bit. But yeah, you just change however you like the sound because it's got a lot of sounds changing. That's it. If you got steering wheel control, all you have to do is come to This Z link right there, this is what connect your Apple CarPlay and everything.